Welcome dear student in the course Determinant of Quality of Life. Today we discuss on the topic Yoga for Prevention of Mental Health. Content of this module are Foundation of Yoga and Mental Health, Neurobiological Mechanism of Yoga Impact on Mental Health, Psychological Benefits of Yoga for Mental Health Prevention, specific yogic practices and their prevention tips, application and future directions, and learning outcomes. Learning objectives. After completion of this module, students will be able to critically evaluate the scientific evidence supporting the role of yoga in mental health prevention. Student will be able to understand the neurophysiological pathway through which yoga impacts mood regulation, stress responses, and cognitive function. Student will be able to analyze the psychological constructs influenced by yoga, such as mindfulness, self-compassion, and resilience. Student will be able to differentiate the specific benefit of various yogic practices such as asanas, pranayama, meditation in the context of mental health prevention. Student will be able to design and adapt yoga-based interventions for promoting mental well-being in diverse populations. Student will be able to critically discuss the limitation and ethical consideration in the application of yoga for mental health. Foundation of Yoga and Mental Health. Introduction to Yoga Philosophy and Psychology. The 8 limb of yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, as discussed in earlier module. A deep dive into Patanjali Yoga Sutras and the interconnectedness of the 8 limbs, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi, and their relevance in the mental well-being. Core psychological concept in yoga, exploring concepts like Chit Vrit Nirodha, cessation of mental fluctuations, kleshas, afflictions, and sanskara, mental impressions, and their implication for mental health. The mind-body connection in yogic text, that is examining how classical texts emphasize the inseparable link between mental and physical state and the role of yoga in harmonizing them. The burden of mental health issues and the need for prevention in current scenario. Global prevalence and impact of mental health disorder, understanding the societal and economic costs associated with mental illness and the importance of proactive strategies. The limitations of traditional treatment models, examining the challenges of current mental health care systems, including accessibility, stigma, and the focus on treatment rather than prevention. The potential of yoga as a preventative modality, exploring the rationale for integrating yoga into public health initiatives and individual wellness plans for mental health promotion. Neurobiological mechanism of yoga's impact on mental health. The stress response system on yoga. Hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis regulation, analyzing how yogic practices, particularly slow breathing and meditation, can modulate the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, leading to reduced cortisol level and a more balanced stress response. Autonomic nervous system, that is ANS, modulation, investigating the influence of yoga on the sympathetic and parasympathetic branches of the autonomic nervous system, promoting a shift toward parasympathetic dominance associated with relaxation and reduced anxiety. Neuroplasticity and stress resilience, exploring how chronic stress can alter brain structure and functions, and how yoga may promote neuroplastic changes and enhance resilience to stress. Neurotransmitter and neurotrophic factor modulation, GABAergic system enhancement, examining the evidence suggesting the yoga practices can increase gamma aminobutyric acid level, a neurotransmitter associated with calmness and reduced anxiety. Serotonin and dopamine regulation, investigating the potential of yoga to influence the production and regulation of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters crucial for mood regulation and motivation. Brain-derived neurotrophic factors, exploring the role of brain-derived neurotrophic factors in neuronal growth and survival, and how yoga may stimulate its production, potentially mitigating the neurobiological underpinning of depression and anxiety. Brain structure and function changes associated with yoga practices, increase gray matter volume, analyzing research indicating increased gray matter volume in brain region associated with emotional regulation, self-awareness and attention in long-term yoga practitioner. Enhanced connectivity, investigating how yoga may improve functional connectivity between different brain regions, leading to better integration of cognitive and emotional processes. Default mode network modulation, exploring how meditation practices in yoga can influence the activity of the default mode network modulation, a brain network associated with mind wandering and self-referential thoughts, potentially reducing rumination and worry. Psychological benefit of yoga for mental health prevention, mindfulness and present moment awareness, cultivating attention and non-judgmental observation, examining how asana, pranayama and meditation foster the ability to focus on the present moment without judgment, a core component of mindfulness. That it promote equity, inclusion, reducing rumination and worry, understanding how increased present moment awareness can interrupt negative thoughts pattern and reduce the tendency to dwell on the past or worry about the future. Enhancing emotional regulations, exploring how mindfulness cultivated through yoga can improve the ability to observe and respond of emotions in a more skillful and adaptive way. Self-compassion and acceptance, fostering a kinder and more accepting attitude toward oneself. Analyzing how yoga philosophy and practices can promote self-acceptance and reduce self-criticism, as I had discussed in previous slide. Recognizing common humanity, exploring how yoga can cultivate a sense of interconnectedness and reduce feeling of isolation, fostering self-compassion. Building resilience through self-compassion, understanding how self-compassion can buffer against the negative impact of stress and adversity, promoting mental well-being. Enhanced body awareness and introspections. Developing sensitivity to internal bodily sensation, examining how asana and pranayama can enhance introspection, the awareness of internal physiological states. Recognizing early signs of stress and emotional imbalance. Understanding how increased body awareness can facilitate the early detections of stress signal and emotional dysregulation, allowing for timely interventions. Promoting a sense of embodiment and wellness. Exploring how a stronger connection to the body can contribute to a greater sense of grounding, stability, and overall well-being. Specific yogic practices and their preventive effects. I had discussed in earlier module 2. Asana, physical postures, impact on physical health and its indirect effect on mental health. Examining how asana practices can improve physical fitness, reduce chronic pain, and enhance sleep quality, all of which contribute to better mental well-being. I had discussed in previous module. Proprioceptive feedback and nervous system regulations. Analyzing how the physical movement and holds in asana can influence the nervous system through proprioceptive input, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Asana as a form of mindful movement, exploring the potential of asana to cultivate present moment, awareness and body awareness, similar to other form of mindfulness movement. Pranayama, that is the breath regulation. I had discussed in early module. In previous module, I had discussed the pranayama in details. In this slide, we discussed that physiological effect of different breathing technique, in-depth analysis of various pranayama technique, example Ujjayi, Nadi Shodhan, Brahmari, and their specific effect on the respiratory, cardiovascular and nervous system. Direct impact on autonomic nervous system, examining how conscious breath regulation can directly influence the balance between the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Pranayama as a tool for emotional regulation, exploring how specific breathing technique can be used to manage anxiety, anger and other emotional states. Meditation and mindfulness practices. Different styles of yoga-based meditation, exploring various meditation techniques commonly integrated into yoga practices. Example, mindfulness meditation, loving kindness meditation and mantra meditation. Mechanism of action in reducing anxiety and depression. Analyzing how meditation practices can alter brain activity, reduce rumination and enhance emotional regulation, contributing to the prevention of anxiety and depression. Cultivating inner resilience through meditation, understanding how regular meditation practices can foster a greater sense of inner peace and equanimity, enhancing resilience to life challenges. Application and future directions. Integrating yoga into mental health prevention program. Yoga in school and educational setting. Exploring the potential of yoga to promote emotional well-being and resilience in children and adolescents. Yoga in workplace wellness program. Analyzing the benefit of incorporating yoga into the workplace setting to reduce stress and improve employee mental health. Yoga for specific population at risk, examining the adaptation of yoga practices for individuals at high risk of developing mental health issues. Example, caregivers, individuals with chronic illness. In that places, the integration of yoga for into mental health prevention program. Research methodologies in yoga and mental health prevention. In this topic, critical evaluation of existing research, analyzing the strength and limitation of current research on yoga and mental health, including study design, sample size, and methodological rigor. Methodological challenges in yoga research, discussing the complexities of studying yoga interventions, such as standardization of practices and the role of teacher-student relationship. Future direction for research, identifying key areas for future investigation, including longitudinal studies, neuroimaging research, and the exploration of personalized yoga interventions. Ethical consideration of and best practices. Scope of practices for yoga professional in mental health. Defining the boundaries of yoga instruction and its importance of collaboration with mental health professionals. Cultural sensitivity and accessibility. Addressing the importance of adapting yoga practices to be culturally sensitive and accessible to diverse population. Avoiding misrepresentation and ensuring evidence-based claims, emphasizing the need for yoga practitioners to present information about the mental health benefits of yoga accurately and ethically. Learning outcome of this module. Yoga offers a holistic approach to mental well-being by integrating physical postures, breath work, and meditation. Neurobiological research indicates that yoga can regulate the stress response system and influence key neurotransmitters and brain structures associated with mental health. Psychological benefits of yoga, such as enhanced mindfulness, self-compassion, and body awareness, contribute significantly to preventing mental health issues. Diverse yogic practices offers specific preventive effects, highlighting the importance of comprehensive approach. Integrating yoga into various settings holds promise for broad-scale mental health promotion, while ongoing research and ethical considerations are crucial for its responsible application. Thank you.